Every now and then, we come across an interesting piece of Rolex lore, the Domino's Pizza Rolex. Many watches have proudly worn the Domino's logo over the years, including this Rolex Air King, reference 14000. Here are 10 things you should know about this collection-worthy watch. Rolex released the reference 1400 in the late 1980s. It introduced many upgrades to the series, including a sapphire crystal and the then new caliber 3000. Rolex discontinued the watch in the mid-2000s, replacing it with the 6-digit reference 114200. This example was a product of the Domino's Pizza Challenge, an initiative created by the pizza chain for its top-performing store managers. The concept was simple in the early days. Hit $20,000 a week in sales and get a shiny new entry-level Rolex decorated with the iconic Domino's Pizza logo. This example was sold by Schlander & Sons, a retailer local to the Domino's headquarters in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The Domino's logo is still on its side, which tells me it is an early 1990s model. For reference, the logo on later models is rotated like a diamond. If we flip the watch over, you can see the owner's initials, MDB, and his Rolex winning sales, which were $21,057. This information is also presented on a white sticker on the outer box, indicating what to engrave on the case back. Lastly, this model features the Domino's logo on the bracelet clasp. What an awesome piece of Rolex history. We don't see many like this often. So, do you love this watch? Visit bobswatches.com to add it to your collection.